So hello everyone, let's get straight to the point. If you're 18 to 44 and you're trying to get the vaccine and each time you log in into your COVID application, all you see is all slots have been booked for the day. Here are two ways that can help you get a slot for yourself. Let me remind you, you only have few seconds to book yourself one slot because there are millions of people trying to do the same action that you are going to be performing. So the first thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Twitter account and search for this page, search for this handle, that is Maji Mumbai Apli PMC. Twitter handle is @mybmc. You need to follow this page and turn on the notification icon. The reason behind turning on the notification button is that they tweet at what time the slot will be open for booking. For example, dear 18 to 44, the slots for the 8 centers opening shortly for booking. This was in 22 hours ago. And the second one is, well, on May 7th, they tweeted the slots for tomorrow open for booking after 7:30 p.m. So you need to keep checking what they tweet. So according to that, you can log in into the COVID app and start booking your appointments. So here is the tricky part. As soon as they tweet the time when the slots will be open for booking, let's just say for example they tweet at 7:30 today, slots will be available for booking. So you need to log in into your COVID application at 7:15 and schedule an appointment, or let's see, schedule. Now you need to click on search by district, select your state, that is Maharashtra, select your city, that is Mumbai, and click search. Now you need to keep spamming this age 18 plus button until it's 7:30, because according to the tweet, 7:30 will be the time when the slots will be available. Now as soon as it's 7:30, all the slots, all the centers that you see here will turn into green and the number will be highlighted. The available slots that are available on this center will be highlighted over here. So as soon as you see any number, just click on it. After clicking on it, there will be a new page that will appear. And let me remind you, there are thousands and millions of people trying to do the same action that you're doing, so you need to be very fast. So if you see a digit over here, just click on it and a next box will appear. In that you'll have to select your time slots, select any preferable time slots, and you have to enter a CAPTCHA. So you only have 5 to 10 seconds to enter that CAPTCHA. You have to enter it pretty fast and then you have to confirm your appointment. If you can't do it within 5 to 10 seconds, you probably won't get any appointment. So you have to be very quick with that. So before ending this video, let us just hope PMC gives us slots every day, and I would suggest one family member at a time should go for the vaccine appointment, and let's just pray this pandemic ends soon and people who have lost their loved ones, I just pray God gives you more strength. Until next time.